expecting you. We are here today to welcome you, one and all, to the Festival of the Lion King. Welcome to the world. In this land, we welcome you. Karibu. Welcome. We are a band of singers who travel with Simba and his friends throughout the land with this celebration. Time for introductions. My name is Kiyume, and I am the leader of our group. Kiyume is Swahili for masculine and strong. What do you think? Next, we have Nakawa,
which is Swahili for good looking.
Hey, good looking.
And this is Kabibi,
Which means impatient.
It means princess.
And finally, we have Zawadi,
which is Swahili for the gift.
The gift.
The gift. And if you want to stay good looking, you best back off the attitude, mister. Besides, you think I'm the gift, don't you, honey? What is your name?
Brandon.
Brandon. I think that's Swahili for my new best friend.
Everyone, Simba and the gang will be arriving any minute now. We want them to feel welcome when they get here, so we're going to need your help.
And since this is the animal kingdom and we're surrounded by animals, and Simba and the gang are animals, we should greet them like
Animals! So, for our beastly pep rally, each of us will help lead one of the 4 animal sections. Let's see, I'll take the elephants.
I'll take the giraffe.
I'll take the lions.
I'll take the warthogs. Brandon, you're gonna help me tame this warthog section, aren't you? Come on, Brandon. Alrighty, gang, listen up. Brandon is going to demonstrate the sound that we as fellow warthogs will make. Here, put your fingers by your face to be your tusks. And now, make a snorty warthog sound. Honey, do you need a tissue? Okay, warthogs, get your tusk up, and on the count of 3, let's hear what you can do. 1, 2, 3! That is the most disgusting thing I've ever heard. I love it!
All right, lions, now it is our turn. These are my new friends, and they are going to show us what a lion sounds like. All right, friends, go and get your paws up like this. Great job. Now let's hear the roar. You guys, that was ferocious. Great job. All right, let's help out our lion friends. All right, guys, you all get the idea. Paws up, and on the count of 3, let's hear some lions. 1, 2, 3. Now that's a lion.
Time for the elephants. This is Mike from Ohio, and he is our leader. All right, Mike, arm in the air. Let's see the trunk. Oh, very good. And now let's hear the call. Oh, Mike, that was an elephant we will never forget. Very well. Everyone, arm in the air, and on the count of 3, let's trumpet triumphant. 1, 2, 3. Ah, the mighty pachyderm.
All right, my turn. I'm next. Everyone, this is my friend Louise coming from England, and she's gonna show us how to make a giraffe sound. Are you ready? Giraffe, go. Ah. That's right! That is what a giraffe sounds like. Well, I didn't know what it was, so I had to look it up. And it said a low bleating sound, kind of like a sheep. Let's hope our friends, Louise. All right, everyone, let's put those giraffe necks in the air. And on the count of 3, we are going to bleat. 1, 2, 3. And there you have giraffe.
Very well then. Now that you know your animal sounds, I think we're all set. Watch us. We'll make sure you're cued and ready to go.
Hey, everyone. I think I hear them coming.
Wonderful. Right on time. On the count of 3, let's use those sounds to call them in. All together now. 1, 2, 3. Everyone, listen. cave.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration, and you, my friends, are invited to join in the fun.
Come on, everybody, get ready to clap your paws, stomp your hooves, and ruffle your feathers as we welcome you to the Festival of the Lion King. Let the procession begin.
Timon is here. The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down. I'm supposed to be center stage. Who's driving this thing?
Timon! Glad you can make it. We can't have a celebration without you. Don't worry, friend. You'll be inside in the spotlight.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king.
Look at me! I'm in a parade!
And you're looking good. Love you, Pumbaa.
What on to
Bing bum 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 bee bee bow.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king.
There he is, the mighty pachyderm. Let me hear you trumpet triumphant.
Hi, everybody. Hey, Pumbaa, Timon.
Hey, look, everyone, it's the Lion King. Welcome, Simba. You're right on time.
Hey, guys. It looks like we're all here. Let's go!
Let every creature go from rogue and sing. Let's hear in the herd and on the wing. It's gonna be King Simba's finest fling. Oh, I just can't wait.
Come on, everybody. All together now. 1, 2, 3.
Here I come, big star coming through. Big cat on a mission here. It's showtime. All right, now move aside. Dancing up. Let's settle down. For the last time. Nice, 1, quiet. Thank you. Maestro, if you please. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. Hey, Popo, what are you doing over there? My little legs can't make it down off this float. Oh, gee, that's too bad. Guess I gotta do a solo. Hakuna Matata. What's going on here? What are you doing? Well, this stinks. Sorry. No, not you, Pumbaa. They're ruining my big number. But they're so cute. Cute? Look at them. They're picking bugs off each other. Hors d'oeuvres. Come on, everybody. You know the words. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. That's our motto. What's a motto? I don't know. What's a motto with you? is at the bottom of the evolutionary ladder? Let's hear it for the Tumble Monkey! Hey, what are you monkeys doing? Why are you packing up? We're about to do our snappy Songs of the South Seas medley. Hello? Get back here. We're not done yet. We got at least another 3 hours of material left. Now just put all this stuff back and we'll get on with the... Hey, Maestro, what's with the music? Something tells me this ain't the floor show. Ah! Hey, what the... Hey there, big fella. Hey, nice hat. So, where you from? Yikes! Let's get out of here!
Your powers of retention are as wet as a warthog's backside. But think as you are, pay attention! My words are a matter of pride. It's clear from your vacant expressions. The nights are a tall on the stairs. But we're talking kings and successions. Even you and become unaware. So prepare for the chance of a lifetime. Be prepared for sensational news. Shining new era is tiptoeing nearer. And where do we feature? Just listen to teacher. I know it sounds sordid, but you'll be rewarded when at last I am given my dues. And injustice deliciously squared. Be prepared. Prepared for the murkiest scam. Meticulous planning, tenacity spanning, decades of denial, simply royal. The king undisputed, respected, saluted, and seen for the wonder I am. Yes, my teeth and ambitions are bared. Be prepared. Yes, our teeth and ambitions are bared.
It's enough for this restless warrior just to be with you. And can you feel the love tonight? The music evening brings the world for once in perfect harmony with all its living things. And can you feel the
That, my friends, is a time for joyous celebration. For when all things exist in balance, it is then we are all connected in the great circle, the circle of life.
The day we arrive on the planet, and we step into the sun. There's more to see that can never be seen, more to do that can never be done. There's far too much to take in here, more to fun that can never be found. The sun rolling high through the sapphire sky, rain and storm on the endless round. In the circle of life, that moves the soul through this merry-go. Save that
And now, everybody, it's time to kick off our celebration finale.
Sounds great, Simba!
Let's have a party.
Come on, everybody.
Sing along.
Baby, there's more than the lion sleeping tonight. What kind of sing-along do you call that?
Darling, I don't know about your warthogs, but my giraffes were right on cue.
And my elephants didn't seem to have a problem.
Oh, okay, I think we're being challenged. I'll tell you what, our lions and warthogs sing your giraffes and elephants. Your section sing the wee boys, and we do the hard part.
And that part would be...
Kabibi, observe.
That's right, all our lions and warthogs will sing the high part.
And our giraffes and elephants will sing the Weema ways.
But who will sing the melody?
Step aside, out of the way, professional artiste coming through. Me, 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 me. Excuse me, my human friends. I guess that leaves me to sing the melody. So, if you're finished with all the talking, can we start already?
All right, Timon. Let's take it from the top.
Thank you. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the quiet jungle, the lion sleeps tonight.
So what do you say? Who won?
I think it's pretty clear. I think the giraffes and elephants won.
Hold on there a minute. Yeah, it's pretty clear, all right? Pretty clear that the lions and warthogs won?
You know what I think?
What?
I think it's time to finish the song. Hush, my darling, don't fear, my darling, the lion sleeps tonight.
in the hood and on the ring. It's gonna be a super awesome thing. Oh, I just can't wait to be king. Oh, I just can't wait to be king. I just can't wait to be king. Oh.
Is this thing on? Okay. Hello there. This is Timon. We hope you enjoyed the show. It was great having you with us. You were a lovely group. The best audience ever. Now please get out. You know the drill. Check for personal belongings. Take small children by